Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your heart points on the Google Fit application. You score heart points for each minute of activity that gets your heart pumping. So if you increase the intensity, you will earn more heart points. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this third icon down below. Then click on activity. Now if you scroll down to the data section, you will see that there is a heart points section, so click on it and then you will be able to see this chart in the middle of the screen containing your heart points. As you can see, I have 60 points here, and you can also tap on this section at the top of the screen, day, week or month, so you will be able to see a day, your daily activities, your weekly activities, and your overall points that you have scored in a month. So you can always go to the current day by tapping on this calendar icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see, we have jumped to the today's section, and as you can see, I have scored 60 points today. So you can easily keep track of your of the intensity of your workouts. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.